Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about Western modernity in Turkey. The reformer of Western modernity in Turkey is Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. He born in 1181 in Salonika village in poor family, and his father Ali Rida and his mother Zubayda. His father died in his seventh year, and in 1893 he joined in military, and in 1902 he got a promotion, and in 1905 he graduated from the college with the rank of staff captain. Okay, in 1905 he graduated from the college with the rank of staff captain, and he also against the autocracy of Sultan Abdul Hamid, and in 1905 he transferred to Istanbul. He started a secret party, uh, Nation and Independence. Okay, then that party dissolved by the other party of his own, Unity and Development, and in 1907 he called to Salonika, and Mustafa Kemal joined the party of Mahmud Pasha, Harakat-e-Urdu. It is a military organization, and he joined in the party of Mahmud Pasha, uh, and he is the one of the reason of to lost the throne of Sultan Abdul Hamid, and in the time of World War First, Turkey joined with the German team, and Turkey lost all the territories. At that time in 1908, the young Turkish revolution had stripped the Abdul Hamid from the throne and start an era of parliament government. Okay, in 1915, in Gallipoli War against British and French, he can stop to invade British and French into the Istanbul. He can stop their invasion, and before after this war, he got famous, and his rank increased from colonial brigadier to general, and he goes to eastern Turkey, Syria, and Palestine. And in 1919, May 19, Pasha reached in Samun by ship. Uh, okay, Pasha reached in Samun for to suppress freedom fighters, but he support freedom fighters. Uh, Pasha reached in Samun under the command of Ottoman government, but he support the freedom fighters, and he tried to coordinate the freedom fighters. When he reached in Antalya, he cut the connection with government of Ottoman government, and at that time Sultan Abdul Hamid gave a death sentence to Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, and with the help of uh, weapons from Soviet Union, Ataturk crushed the Armenian in the east and forced to retreat French and Italy from south. His work are most important against the invasion of French, and they forced to retreat from south. And in 1921 he became the head of army, and in 1921 September in Safaria War, and in 1921 August Dulumbinar War, Dulumbinar Great War. These two major wars defeat the Greek army, and in 1923 September 23 a new peace treaty, it helped to Istanbul, protect Istanbul from the invasion of French. Okay, and after 5 years freedom, it become a free republic except the Ottoman rule or monarchy rule. It become a free republic. Okay. Because of his work, Turkish call him father of Turkey. That means Ataturk. And his reformations are started from 1924 to 1938. Okay, his reformation from 1924 to 1938. Many reformations, many vulgar reformations are established in Turkey. In 1922 November, Sultanate abolished, and in 1923 July 24 retreat of Lausanne secure, and in 1923 October 29 Turkey became the republic, and the capital of the republic Turkey is Ankara. And in 1924 Caliphate abolished, and the traditional school or madrasa systems are closed. The every action of Ataturk is against Islam, and he started to westernize and secularize the nation of Turkey. And he abolished Sharia also in 1924. And in 1924 April 10 he adopted a constitution. And in 1925 he abolished the Dervish Brotherhood and Sufi systems. And in 1925 he outlawed his traditional cap named fez, and he with by a hat in November 25. He established a hat law in November 25 in 1925. And the veiling of women discouraged, and the Western clothing encouraged, and he start to establish a Gregorian calendar instead of Islamic calendar. And in 1926 a new civil and commercial penal code established based on the European. Except the Ottoman or Arab system, he adopted the European model, and he end the Islamic polygamy, and he start a new civil, and he end Islamic polygamy. And in 1927 the first systematic census take in 1927, and he abolished the Arabic word in Turkish language, or and he appointed, or he start a new Turkish alphabet in like Latin, or he used the Latin alphabet to write to write Turkish. And he state a declaration for secularism in April 10. And he established a constitutional provision, and he delayed the banner of official religion of Islam in Turkey, and he changed into a secular religion, a secular nation. And in 1933 the public azan and Quran reading in public are changed into Turkish language except in Arabic language. Okay, these are the totally against the fundamentals of Islam. And in 1934 women rights to vote. And in 1934 the Great Assembly, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, Mustafa Kemal take the name Ataturk, and he accept his own the name Ataturk, the father of Turk, and Ismet Pasha accept the name Inonu. Okay, in 1935 he start Sunday is the weekly holiday except Friday. Before his reformation, Friday is the weekly holiday in Arabic culture and Arabic country. But after his reformation he established Sunday is a weekly holiday. And Hagia Sophia he changed Hagia Sophia into a museum. Before it is a mosque, and he changed into a museum. As a result of Mustafa Kemal Pasha, the political system and economical and social system of Islam or Islamic systems, this kind of Islamic systems are totally forgot the generation and the next generation. They also adopt the Western style in their life, except Islamic culture and religion. And his party is known as Republic Party. In 1938 he died. In 1938 November he died, and his body took in body placed in Istanbul till 19th November, and after the 10th day of his death, its body took into the Ankara through Ismat port by the ship Yavuz warship. And his ideologies, next one is his ideologies. His ideology is known as Kemalism, and his main ideologies are mainly referred as 6 arrows. First one is republicanism and nationalism, populism, reformism, staticism, and secularism. And in 1924, the Great Assembly, he established a new constitution and replaced the old constitution in 1876. And he became the president of Republic Party. His party is Republic Party. He became the president of Republic Party. And Republic Party became the founder of Republic Party is Kemal Atatürk in 1923. Okay, these are the reformations of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. After his rule, he does not allow anyone to rule, or he not allowed any party other than Republic Party in Turkey. Okay, these are the reformation or Western reformation of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. So next class we have to discuss about Riza Shah or the Westernity in Iran. Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.